Hi, today I'm for the Xiaomi 13 Lite and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open our box. Let's open also this paper box. This is the USB Type-C cable, and also we can see here the original charger bricks, the Xiaomi one. Let's also check this paper box. Here we can see the SIM eject tool and some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guides, and the warranty card. And also yet here the protective silicone case. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.